All right, let's see more examples on exponential equation. The previous one is given, the same basis on the left side and right side so that you can solve it by, using the properties where if the bases are the same, so you have to play with the exponents. Now, how do you do if the bases are different and how to solve exponential function with different a base and just a number and so on and so forth. So these are different scenario, and you have to use your calculator to solve for the unknown variable. So please make sure to apply the properties of logarithm as well as the rule to convert exponential to logarithm and so on and so forth. Let's see the first one. If you look at this one, the base is 10. 10 to the power of x is equal to 21. So how can we find the value of x? So you have to use your calculator. Make sure that your calculator is ready. So first, convert this one, convert to log form. So the log form of this one is logarithm of 10, x should be here, and 21. Remember, this means since logarithm of base 10 is a common logarithm in your calculator, it is available as logarithm of 21, which is x. So look at your calculator, go to your calculator, log 21, and it gives you the value. X is equal to 1.3222. Remember, when you do your assignment, be careful about the instruction, 4 decimal places. So the answer is this one. So similarly, this one is e. Remember, the base e logarithm is known as natural logarithm. So again, convert this one, convert to log form. So what is the log form of this one is I can write logarithm of base e, x come here, and 2.356. Remember? Now you in your calculator, logarithm of base e is known as natural logarithm, so 2.356 is x. When you do this one, ln of 2.356 in your, so you'd get x is equal to 0.85696. But when you round it, please be careful here. So look at this one is 5, so this becomes, make it 7 and the other 0, so it can be written as 0.8570. Make sure that you round the answer properly to the 4 decimal places. This one is simply, the unknown is p. So what I can do is simply, this is just divide 0.081 times 9 both sides so that I can isolate p. That is my objective of the objective of this question is to find the value of p. 81 times 9. Now this one cancel this, so p is equal to, on top you have to write 52,400 on top, divided by, please use a parenthesis in your calculator, write like this, then open parenthesis, e, then 0.081 times 9, and close the parenthesis. So second in my calculator, 0.081 times 9, then close the parenthesis, and the result of this one is 25. Again, on the rounding, be careful, 25,277.2 2 9 5 7 5 7 2 5 7 4 decimal places. If it is 2 decimal places, if rounded to 2 decimal places, this becomes P is equal to 25,277.30. Look at the rounding. So it depending on the question. Some of the questions say that 2 decimal places. Okay, the last question, for example, this one. So we have to apply the same thing here. First, convert to log form. So when we convert to log form, this becomes 0.006x is equal to logarithm of base e, and this is 30. Remember, in your calculator, or base e is ln of 30, 0.006x. So to find for x division, 0.006 both sides. Then you can see this cancel, and I just isolate x. So I have to go to my calculator, ln of 30 divided by 0.006, and this can be, in my calculator, gives me the value 566.8662. So this is the value of x for the given problem. So I would like to bring the following pointers into your attention. The first one, make sure you convert the exponential form to logarithm form. The second one, when you round, be careful the rounding of the numbers. Like for example, look at the B problem. 4 decimal places, be careful. The C also 4 decimal places, and if you are asked to 2 decimal places, and so on and so forth.